All stories alleged. For gossip and entertainment only. Let's get started.
So, Gossiper Sharoni here. You know, I said that I will only do Diddy news if something major and important comes up. Well, this is major, this is important. So, one of his attorney, they filed a motion to withdraw from his case, and the attorney is Anthony Ricco. So, we're going to go ahead and see who this attorney is, and I'm on MSN right here, and it says, who is Anthony Ricco? So we're going to find out who he is before we read on the story with Puffy, because we want to know what kind of law and who, the kind of people he represents. So it says, Anthony Ricco, New York City-based attorney known for his involvement in multiple high-profile cases and capital defense litigation, is a native of Harlem. Ricco has worked for individuals facing serious criminal charges, particularly those from marginalized communities. Over the past 2 decades, Ricco has served as learned counsel in approximately 45 federal death penalty cases nationwide. Notably, he was involved in the World Trade Center bombing conspiracy case, United States versus Omar Abdel Rahman, and the embassy bombing case, United States versus Osama bin Laden. Before New York State death penalty was declared unconstitutional in 2004, he acted as capital counsel in over a dozen death-eligible cases. Beyond his legal practice, Ricco contributes to legal education as an adjunct professor at Fordham University School of Law, where he teaches trial advocacy. So now we're going to read on why this man is stepping away from Diddy, filed a motion. And this is from Variety. And it says, Anthony Ricco, one of the lawyers representing Sean Diddy Combs in his federal case, has entered a bid to withdraw as the imprisoned mogul's counsel, according to a motion filed on Friday morning. In the motion, Ricco is vague about the reasons why he wants to withdraw from representing Combs, whose trial is set to begin in May. Although I have provided Sean Combs with the Although I have provided Sean Combs with the high level of legal representation expected by the court, under no circumstances can I continue to effectively serve as counsel for Sean Combs, he wrote. He also noted that there are sufficient reasons protected by attorney-client privilege for him to be stirred in his application to withdraw. So we're not going to find out why exactly. Ricco's motion must be approved by the judge, and the attorney states that no delay in jury selection or the trial itself would transpire. The motion notes that he informed the government of his intention to withdraw and that the government took no position on the motion. Ricco was initially hired in September 2024 and is one of several lawyers representing Combs in his federal case. Mark Agnific Fellow and Tenny Gergos will continue on as counsel. Representatives for Combs as well as Ricco did not immediately respond to Variety requests for comment. Okay, so we know that Combs is in Brooklyn awaiting his trial. He's been there since September of 2024. So yes, we don't have a reason why Ricco stepped aside, and as he said, there is attorney-client privilege. So who knows? Maybe Diddy said something and he's like, I can't represent you knowing this was said or that was done. We have no idea what's going on. If he was asking for more money to represent, we just have no idea. And he said he also noted there are sufficient reasons. Will we ever know what those sufficient reasons are? Maybe. We don't know. We just have to wait and see. But yes, so an attorney for Diddy, no longer on his case, withdrew for sufficient reasons, and he's protected by the attorney-client privilege. So yeah, something was said or done, and he did not approve, and they're like, okay, let's go our separate ways. So gossipers, what are your thoughts? Tell me your thoughts, comment below, and as always, please like, share, subscribe.